Welcome YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. It's basically all Sonic stuff. I have 5 things of Sonic that I found at the Dollar Tree. One of them is one of those Mystery Super Mini Walkers. I have 3 of them so far. I got the Super Sonic, the Knuckles, and the Sonic. I just need Shadow. Hopefully I got him. And then I have Squeezlings. I've bought 4 of those. So, without further ado, let's just take a short break and take a look. I'm just reminding you that these are the ones I have already. Alrighty. We're going to open this one first. Okay. Just to see if I got Shadow. Beat it. Got the entire set. Sweet. Now I don't have to buy any more of that series. I actually like when I finish sets off early, because it means I actually don't have to buy more of that set. But let's see what we got. Let's see which ones we can get first. There's Tails, Amy, Knuckles, Eggman, or Robotnik, depending on how you want to call him, Sonic, and Shadow. Okay. We have Knuckles, the Echidna, Guardian of the Chaos Emeralds. Nicely detailed, too. Now, why do they call them Squeezlings? I actually don't know. We just call them, like, PVC figurines. Actually, that's really cool looking. Alright. There's 6 total. I only have 4. So maybe I can actually find the other ones. Oh, another Knuckles. So, only chances of getting 3 of them. And Tails. I think his real name is Miles or something like that. Miles Power. I like it. I actually like Tails. He's one of my favorite characters in the series. I like it really much. And last one. I want to say maybe Robotnik or Amy. Hopefully not Knuckles. Oh, look, Robotnik. I've always found it funny that he's got such a huge body, but such a tiny head compared to everybody else. I really want to know if that's to scale or not. In case you're wondering kind of how I knew which ones are which, I do squeeze the packages every so often to try and figure out what the figurine is before I open it. It gives me a less of a chance of getting doubles. I know it's cheating, but I do try to complete sets before anything else. But these are at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how long they're going to have them for, but they're really nicely detailed. And if you like Sonic, I would definitely say go for it. I mean, even getting doubles is not bad. But that's that set. Again, found it at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, if you can find them, get them. If not, hopefully you can find them online. Anyways, peace out YouTube. Like and subscribe. Bye. So I happen to have 4 more of the Squeezlings, and we'll see what they are. This is with regards to the other 3 Squeezlings we have. Alright, let's see what we have. We have Amy. We have Sonic. All we need now is Shadow, and we have the complete series. And we have another Sonic. And we have another Knuckles. So, we haven't gotten Shadow yet. We only gotten... So, out of the 8 bags, we're missing only 1 character. That's not bad. Anyways, we'll see what happens. Peace.